Try to go as far as your eyes can see. And when you get there, you can see even further. These are words that have lived with me for quite some time. Born in Sudan with 4 siblings, our parents showed us what we could become with an education. We saw it, and we got there. And when I got there, I could see even more. I'll never forget the day I got a bike from my parents that I picked apart just to put it back together again, just to see how it worked. I could see something new again, a potential profession on the horizon. But I never forgot the people that also saw me, that saw my potential and helped me unlock it. Dubai, Moldavia, a wife and 2 wonderful kids. After a while, I saw Sweden. I see all the typical family stuff, lovely chaos. I see joy, love, walks in the forest, and a continued passion for what I do. I went from seeing machines in a magazine to a place where I work with them, from a service technician in Sudan to a new future in Sweden. I've gotten as far as I could see, and now I can see even more, but also clearer.